Something big is happening tomorrow at the Supreme Court that I know a lot of you care about. Both the OSHA and CMS Vaccine Mandate cases will be heard by all 9 justices. Since you pretty much already know how we got here, this video is going to focus on 3 main things you need to know going into tomorrow's oral arguments. And if you don't know how we got here, I have lots of videos on every step of the way. You can find those videos in the vaccine mandate category on my page. So here are my 3 keys to tomorrow. 1, these are 2 separate cases, the OSHA case and the CMS case. Each is facing a different legal challenge. Oral arguments will be heard separately. 2, none of these challengers are arguing at the district, appellate, or Supreme Court level that vaccine mandates generally are illegal or shouldn't be allowed. What they're arguing is the federal government doesn't have the authority to mandate a vaccine in these particular ways. So the Supreme Court's job in these cases tomorrow is to either lift or uphold the current stays ordered by the lower courts. Basically, they're going to decide whether the OSHA and CMS vaccine mandates will be allowed to take effect while the cases continue to play out in federal and appellate courts. Those cases aren't done yet and will continue even after the Supreme Court ruling. 3, that said, having the High Court get involved in cases at the stay level, not the merit level after appellate final ruling, is pretty unusual and worth noting. Here's the bottom line. It's going to come down to timing. How fast will the justices issue their ruling? Because non-compliance penalties start for the OSHA mandate on Monday, January 10th, with the testing fines starting on February 9th, and healthcare workers at facilities that receive money from Medicare and Medicaid need to be fully vaccinated by February 28th. And by statute, the OSHA mandate has an expiration date. So you can see how timing-wise, if the justices decide to uphold the stay on one or both of these mandates quickly, that could be the nail in the coffin. But there's a lot of ifs in there. And before you ask, I don't know when they're going to rule. The Supreme Court works on its own schedule. The justices will issue rulings when they're good and ready. As you know, there are also no cameras allowed inside the Supreme Court, but you can listen to tomorrow's oral arguments starting at 10 a.m. Eastern on supremecourt.gov.